Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker, and today I want to talk about the Jayco Jay Flight SLX7 line of travel trailers. The Jay Flight SLX7 offers excellent maneuverability and a light curb weight that can open doors for families not interested in camping in a larger RV. These travel trailers range in length from about 16.5 feet to almost 22 feet, and in weight from about 2,400 pounds to about 2,900. This means you can easily tow many of the Jay Flight SLX7 travel trailers with a mid-size pickup or an SUV. There are 6 floor plans in total. Of those floor plans, 3 offer bunk beds. Let's kick things off with the bunk models. The 154BH is the first. It features a set of bunk beds on the campsite wall, a dinette at the front of the camper, and a kitchen across from the entrance door. Next up for the bunk models is the 174BH. It offers a queen bed at the front of the camper, a campsite kitchen, a set of bunks in the rear of the unit, and a dinette across from the kitchen. The final bunk model is the 184BS, which features a queen bed at the front of the trailer, a campsite kitchen, a dinette in a slide across from the kitchen, and bunk beds in the rear corner of the RV. Of the non-bunk models, the 145RB is the smallest, with a dinette at the front of the unit, a sofa along the campsite wall, a wardrobe next to the entrance door, and a kitchen across from the sofa. Next up is the 175RD. This unit features a queen bed at the front of the RV, a campsite kitchen, and a large U-dinette at the rear of the unit. The final floor plan is the 195RB. It offers a queen bed at the front, a dinette on the campsite, a kitchen and pantry across from that, and a wardrobe by the entrance door. Now that we've discussed floor plans, let's talk features. The Jayco Jay Flight SLX7 offers chocolate maple cabinet doors, seamless countertops, a 2-burner range, 3 cubic foot refrigerator, and brushed nickel faucets. Additional features include a queen Simmons mattress, 300-pound rated bunk beds in select models, power awning with LED lights, stabilizer jacks, and a water heater bypass. All models come with a wall-mounted 8,000 BTU AC unit, but if you want, you can upgrade to a roof-mounted 13.5K BTU unit. Last but certainly not least, I want to discuss how Jayco actually makes the Jay Flight SLX7. The company uses a 3-inch cambered steel box tube frame, a fully integrated A-frame, and the Magnum Truss roof system with seamless Dyflex 2 roof material. When it comes to construction, Jayco takes things up a notch, using screws instead of staples, larger nail plates, and thicker wood studs and headers. This is one travel trailer that will last a long time and beat out its competition in terms of durability. As you can see, the Jay Flight SLX7 is a great lightweight travel trailer. It offers a lot in a small and affordable package that can work well for the whole family.